Hi! In front of me is STK Life 9 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the month above. Set up a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also take notes, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before over here, and even choose location. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can you can always edit it by clicking on it and then tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Make your changes and remember to just save at the top right corner. Now, if you want to delete it, you can always do that by clicking on it, this time though selecting those three dots at the top right corner and tapping on delete. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!